Hi, just wanted to check in because I posted my first comments about your writings, and it wasn't even a full paragraph, but you might have felt like it was a lot more than that because of how much I write. So, yes, I'm sorry. I give a lot of feedback, which is one of the reasons why it takes me a little while to do it. But please know I write a lot because I want you to do well. I said in the first video on this website that I'm here to help you take your writing to the next level wherever you're at now. So I wrote, and a lot of those things were things that you probably didn't even know about. And so you're not responsible for not knowing those. However, I want to make sure that they get fixed by the time that you're submitting them for the essay. And that includes things like using we and us as pronouns. Those are fine when you're talking in the personal response paragraph about personal experiences, but please don't talk about people in general as we. Um, People are really different. It's hard to group them all together, so avoid that. Similarly, avoid talking to you in the essay. Lots of readers get taken aback by that. And so that also goes for commands. Don't tell readers what to do. I'm sure you love being told what to do. And yes, I probably do that too much. I'm sorry, I'm an instructor. I'm here to help. But in an essay, avoid giving commands. And the conclusion paragraph is usually where that's most tempting. And sometimes in summarizing Adichie's ideas, it could be tempting to do in the summary paragraph as well. Just know to check for that and to change it around during the revision process if you find it. So those are two things I saw a lot of, as well as contractions. Don't write can't, write cannot. Won't becomes will not, all of those fun things. And that's because you will still find lots and lots of professors who hate contractions. So it's better to get in the habit of not writing them. I really enjoyed reading through your ideas, your bullet point lists, and through your topic sentences. I saw so much good work. So please focus on the good things, take my criticism as how it's meant, which is to help you make this even better by the time that you're submitting the full essay. Also, make sure you're taking a look at that feedback before you do the response paragraph outline for this Sunday, because it's very similar in setup. Make sure you're not writing a full paragraph. That takes me 2 to 3 times as much time. Okay, if I were editing that sentence, it would change drastically. But please make sure you're not doing full paragraph. Make sure that you're reading instructions closely. Make sure that you're going back and proofreading what you've written, that you're taking this seriously, because in writing, the details matter. You may have seen comments about placing the comma before the quotation mark. Things like that matter a lot in this. So take the time to get the details right, and it will pay off in the long run. Thank you for a great start with this assignment, and I'm looking forward to reading a lot more of your writing. Thanks.